Hey, this will be a video chart on AMWI. Did this one back when it was trying to break through 20, and then it went through about a week and a half consolidation period where it went sideways. I think kind of fell off people's radars. And then you can see here finally did break above 20 and has been uptrending ever since. So I've had some people asking questions about it and requesting a video. So here we are. Just want to quickly update the chart. What we're looking at here is the 60-minute chart. So what that means, if you're not familiar with charting, is instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 60 minutes. So it does a good job of kind of showing us what's going on, more so than the daily chart does. So if the chart doesn't look familiar, the reason is because we're not looking at the daily, we're just looking at a shorter time frame. So the first thing I want to point out, and hopefully this kind of sticks out too, is this blue line here, which is a 10-period simple moving average on the 60-minute, is definitely kind of the wave, if you will, that the price has been surfing on. You can see that multiple times the price has come down here, tested it, and then bounced back off from it. So for the people that are looking, as a momentum trade or whatever, the 10-period simple moving average right now based at 27 cents is the key level of support that you'll want to see. And as you can see, literally for the past basically week, every time the price has gotten down around that area, it's been a good entry. Sure, the price has dropped below it a couple times, but if the price has dropped below it, then the 10-period's bigger brother right here, this gray line, the 20-period, has picked up the slack and provided the support. So the 10-period definitely kind of the wave that the price has been riding on. Now in terms of overall support level, that one is going to go to this purple line down here, the 10-period, based at 21 cents. So if you're in this for the longer term, whether it be a swing trade or maybe you're in this just for the overall story, this is going to be the key level that you're going to want to watch, as this is more of a longer term trend indicator. So as long as the price does stay above it, then technically speaking, the trend does remain bullish. But this is definitely for the medium to long term players. If you're a short term day trader or whatever, obviously you wouldn't want to see it drop from 28 cents all the way down to 21. So as always, the question really is, what is your strategy? What kind of trader are you within this play? And that'll dictate how you should really start to look at it. In terms of resistance levels, this was very straightforward. Chart's essentially in blue sky breakout territory. There was the high from today, which is now a resistance, and that's at 29 cents. I'm just going to leave that line skinny because yes, it is technically a resistance, but at the same time, with another big surge of volume like one of these bars, I don't see why 29 cents is going to put up much of a fight. So 29 cents is the current short-term resistance level. So that is where the chart stands at this point in time. Like I said, pretty straightforward. For you momentum players, keep your eye on the 10-period simple moving average, and if you're a medium to longer term player, the 50-period right here is going to be what you want to look at in terms of support. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was AMWI. Thanks for listening.